Hello, this is Teresa Vasquez Terry with Dr. Tech Mom, and these are the topics that are covered in this video. Okay, so now I've created all of my books and my user profiles. And now basically what I want to do is I want to lock down the books. I don't want any edits to be created to the books unless the individual who is making the edits has a passcode. We definitely don't want Ramel going into his books and messing things up or moving pages around or accidentally deleting things. So what we want to do is we want to look at this cool little feature with the passcode lock in the bottom left hand corner. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it says enter a 4-digit child lock. So you can enter a numerical child lock there. But there's also an important message here that says if you forget the passcode, you can reset it in the settings app. Well, we're going to look at that in just a second. But first, we want to go ahead and enter a 4-digit lock code. In this case, just for this video, I'm going to enter in 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to ask me to re-enter it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have a child code lock set. So if I go into Ramel's books, you'll see down here in the bottom right hand corner, there is no longer the edit option. Now, let's say for instance, I have forgotten the passcode. Well, I'm going to go into my settings and you will see if I scroll here on the far left, you'll see the apps that are available there. And I was in the Social Story app, which is here. And if I need to reset it, I can reset it here. So if I click reset the lock, I say on, and I'm going to go back to the Social Stories. You will see that the lock is no longer there in place. Now, if your child knows how to go back into your settings and change that and whatnot, then you'll probably have to put restrictions on your iPad. But that just shows you really quickly how to reset your password. So another feature that I want to show you that is specifically on 3 apps, which is iGet My Family, iSequence My School Schedules, and iSequence My Daily Schedules, is the ability to export books. So iGet is currently testing this ability on these 3 apps, and hopefully in the future it will be implemented on all the remainder of the apps. But really quickly, I want to show you how easy it is to export a book and how cool it actually is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Daily Schedules. And as you can see, there is a profile already created for Ramel. And so I'm going to click on him, and you'll see that in schedules, there are his Monday through Friday, or actually Monday through Sunday, and then also the calendar concepts, favorites, and photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Monday, and I'm going to hold my finger down on Monday. When I do that, you will see that an option to either export book data or email book PDF will pop up. So I'm going to show both of these. I'm going to click on export book data. And when I do that, it's going to take a couple seconds to kind of render it. And then an email will pop up. So when the email pops up, it gives me the ability to email this book that has been rendered for the specific iGet School Schedules app into an email so that I can email that to someone who has the app as well. Now, the other option gave me the ability to create a PDF. So when I hold my finger back down on Monday again, I can click email book as a PDF. And so it's going to render that as a PDF. Now it's exported it, and here you see there's an attachment that's created a PDF. And I just think that that's just a cool feature, and hopefully they'll be able to keep it and implement it in all of the other apps, because I feel like it's just a great way to share books back and forth between either family members or teachers or just anyone who has these wonderful apps. Well, we certainly hope that you have enjoyed the video tutorials for the iGet It app series. This is Teresa Vasquez Terry from Dr. Tech Mom signing off from Studio 33. Have a good one.